Quick, Chapter 1 to 6. I want to tell you something about Mark. He reads books about man. You are very stupid, Sylvia. Gabriel had a keen face and intelligent brown eyes. Gabriel had a keen face and intelligent brown eyes. He usually had a friendly smile, but there was no smile on his face today. He was happy.
I like to be as rich as Marco. He does, but I am only good old Gabriel. Sylvia likes me. I know she does. She thinks I am keen and nice, but she thinks I am boring too. Boring old Gabriel, that's me. Gabriel had 2 tickets for a film. There was a red rose in the table in his sitting room. He took the rose and the tickets and went out. An hour later, Gabriel arrived at the door of Sylvia's flat. When she opened the door, she did not smile at him. She sighed.
Do you remember Sylvia?
Sighed Gabriel.
It's late ever. We're going to the cinema. I've got the tickets. And it's that great new film. You see it?
What do you mean?
Sighed Sylvia.
I cannot out with this evening. I wish you do not remember.
But I call it you on Tuesday.
Gabriel said.
You wanting you come?
Sylvia pushed her beautiful dark hair out of her eyes. She did not look at Gabriel.
Oh, there.
She sighed.
That was stupid of me. I'm really sorry. Please, do be angry, Gabriel. Come back tomorrow. Welcome to the film tomorrow.
She began to shut the door.
Sylvia!
Gabriel sighed angrily.
You are mine with Marco. I know you are. I want to tell you something about Marco. He's rich, but he's about man. You are very stupid, Sylvia.